Alright, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm not building anything. Well, I built a little something, but I just want to say a special happy birthday to a buddy of mine, Mark Butts. That's right. I think you're, what, 43 now? Yeah, you're climbing, buddy. You're like you really had to make my age public. Oh, yeah. I'm older than you. You'll get over it, don't worry. So, wanted to say happy birthday to you and your family. You know, say hi to John and the kids, Marky and Sarah. Hi, Sarah. She's probably freaking out right now going, oh my God, you said my name. But first things first, since it is your birthday, I have a couple of things for you. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, Mark. You're like, really? Yes. Look, I even made you a cake. I know, I made it out of used paper and a used box. See, I'm recycling. I'm being an environmentalist. Haha. But one other thing before I show you your gift, and you're probably wondering, oh God, what the heck is that? It's something of my own creation. And you're thinking to yourself, you're laughing, this could not be good. No, it's not. But Mark and I have known each other for a very, very long time. We have known each other since we've been teenagers. So, we've done everything together, all the way from riding bikes, roller skating, you name it. Even helped each other on business ventures, you name it. So, but last but not least, I'm going to show you your gift. And I made it myself with my own two hands. And you're never going to believe what it is. And you're probably sitting on the couch right now because this is the only way I can get a hold of you because you told me you broke your phone and you're using your Fire Stick to go on the internet, to probably go through Facebook and watch YouTube. So I told you I'm going to make a video on you. Oh, yes, I did. So you're probably wondering what the heck is in my hand. You're probably sitting on the couch right now laughing or yelling at the TV like, will you just show me? Come on, get it over with. Well, you're going to have to take really good care of it. Well, hammer, it, or whatever it is. Don't worry, it's not an animal, I promise. So, you ready? I made you Woody. That's right, my own creation. Don't worry, he has hair, and I made sure he's got, you know, 5 fingers and all that, and he's got some feet, and you're gonna have to feed him because he looks a little skinny, because he's got such a big head, but at least he has a happy face. So that's a plus. So here's your gift, buddy. Don't worry, that's not really your gift. I'm just probably gonna take you out to Munchies. So I know you've been trying to go there, and you just haven't been able to because bad weather, things like that. So I just wanted to say happy birthday, buddy, and I'll talk to you soon.